Michael, I'd like to start with you. Let's look at Alberta. Why Alberta? Why does it make sense for it to be an AI and machine learning hub?
Well, I think it has to do with the historical development of AI. There has been quite a bit of investment going back 20 years into building up the University of Alberta as a focal point for AI. It's one of the reasons I'm here. I moved from the United States about 19 years ago. And at the same time, a number of other researchers came and started building up our expertise in this area. And that led to training new students, which built sort of that critical mass that pulled in more people. People came here to study. And so in the last few years now, as we've started to see the importance of AI in future technology, then all of that talent now has gotten a lot of attention.
Nicole, what sort of challenges does the province face in developing AI leaders and retaining top talent? For example, in Canada, Toronto and Montreal seem to be the top destinations to live and work in the industry.
While there is a desire from the machine learning talent who graduate from the U of A to stay in Alberta, we have lost a lot of the talent over the last decade. The opportunities didn't exist, and there was no ecosystem to support it. This is changing now, though, because of two things. First, we have an emerging cluster of AI startups coming out, and they're hiring those grads. And second, which isn't a long-term strategy, I will admit, but it exists and as an advantage, the US immigration policy has made it difficult for graduates to go south, and it's made it attractive to move north. While Alberta has a deep pool of machine learning developers, though, is lacking in that supporting cast. We need product managers, software developers, data analysts, ML ops specialists, and the list goes on. And we need to ensure that our post-secondary institutions are providing programming for that supporting cast as well.